Man, it has been entirely too long since I picked up a camera and recorded a video. Anyways, I know you see the title, you see the thumbnail. Today's video is mainly about me talking about what regular routine maintenance costs on my 2017 Camaro SS. And it was about time for me to get an oil change. So let's take it to the dealer and see what it costs. Okay, so I am back home and I paid $0.00. The only reason as to which I paid $0.00, ignore that. Only reason why I paid $0.00 for mine, which you see it was synthetic oil, was because the dealership actually threw it in with the car. When I bought it, they threw in some free oil changes that I wasn't even aware of. But I did speak with the dealer and they said that, I'm gonna throw it up on the screen right here, that this would be what the price would be had it not been free. And they gave me like a range just because they said depending on like what type of oil I wanted or this or that, it would have been different. This is what the range they said it would have been for a 2017 Camaro SS, which is what this car is. So hopefully if you're like me and had no idea what the maintenance would have been on a Camaro SS when you bought it, but you still wanted it anyways, hopefully this video helped a little bit. And of course, this is just oil changes. This is not any other of the routine maintenance that would be required for the car, and not to mention the fact that you need 93 octane gas or premium gas. I know some places only have 91. Anyways, hopefully I answered at least one question for you guys with this. But other than that, it's been me. My name's Crispy Marcus, and I'll see you guys next time. And it won't be no 2 months later, I promise.